Happy Wednesday, everybody. Today is World Travel Wednesday. World Travel Wednesday is what I call Wednesdays in my classroom, and that is when we learn a dance from another part of the world. Today we're going to learn a dance from Hawaii. Hawaii is off the Pacific Ocean. It is a state in the United States of America. The name of our dance is called the Hukilau. Hukilau tells the story about a big fish party that happens on the beach. The story goes that fishermen come out and they have these really big nets. They don't use rod and reel and they don't use a fishing pole. They use huge nets that take several men to hold. And they go out in the ocean, they throw the nets, and then they bring them back. And hopefully the nets are full of fish. After a full day of fishing, they have a huge hole that they have dug in the sand. And they may put in that hole banana leaves or other types of fragrant leaves that gives the food flavor. And then they will lay a big screen over this big hole and they will cook all these fish that they have caught all day long. People will gather around for this big feast. There will be lots of people there playing instruments. They play guitars and ukuleles. They have lots of dancing. A lot of Hawaiian dancers dance with fire poles, with fire on the end. Hula dancing is lots and lots of fun, and it's also very simple to do. You just have to know the movements to do with your hands to tell the story. So this is how we're going to do the Hukilau. All right, the basic step of the Hukilau, you just step 2 steps to your right, and 2 steps to your left. That's the step you will do the entire dance. 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left. And then the rest of the dance, you're telling the story with your arms and your hands and your face. So, the first part of the dance, we're going to say, we're going to this fish party. So we're going to take our thumbs and just show that we're going to this fish party. Okay? Then, arms are going to go out. That signifies everybody's welcome. And then, we love the fish party. So everybody is welcome. We love the fish party. Now we're going to throw our nets. We're throwing our nets out into the sea. That is the motion. Throwing the nets. And what do we want to come into those nets? Fish. So we're going to do little fish swim with our arm and little fish swim with our arm. Now we're showing that we're having a big feast. So this is the motion for the feast. Your hand is representing the plate. The other hand is representing eating. So you're going to touch your hand, touch your mouth. Hand to mouth. Okay? Then there's some other movements that you can do that signifies different things. Ocean waves. Ocean waves look like this. With your arms, ocean waves this way. Ocean waves this way. It talks about a bay in Hawaii. A bay is an area of the ocean water that is surrounded by land. A lot of times in a bay, there'll be boats, there'll be houses. So a bay in the Hawaiian dance looks like this. You're showing this is the bay, okay? A house would look like this. It's like a triangle. So here's what's great about the Hukilau and hula dancing. You can do any of these movements pretty much in any order. You're going to just talk about going and throwing the nets. The fish here come in. We're doing a feast. Everybody's welcome. We love it. The whole time you're stepping 2 steps to your right, 2 steps to the left. And you do all of these movements pretty much in any order you want to. I will tell you what we're doing. You do them in whatever order you want to. Then at the very end, you're going to put your right arm up and it's going to go hooky, 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 Hula, which is the fish party, and then you're going to end prayer hands and a bow. And that's saying thank you for coming, thank you for being at our Hula party, thank you for dancing, thank you for happiness. So today we're doing the Hula from Hawaii, World Travel Wednesday. So here we go. Feet apart, 2 steps to your right, 2 steps to your left, the whole dance. Ready? To your right. 5, 6, here we go.
We're going to
Everybody.
Everybody loves a hula.
Here's our feast.
Where the loud is the cow at a big luau.
Throw your nets.
We'll throw nets out into the sea. And all of my come swimming to me.
Where we going?
We're going to a hula. Hula.
Ocean waves.
What a wonderful day for fishing in the old wide way.
Ocean waves.
All the hooky-low nets are swishing.
Here's our bay. Let's go. Throw your nets. Fish. Everybody. Let's eat our feast. How we going?
We're going to a
Everybody.
Everybody loves a hula.
Here's our feast.
Where the loud is the cow at a big luau.
Throw your net.
We'll throw nets out into the sea.
Fish.
And all of my come swimming to
How we
me.
going?
We're going to a hula.
Ocean waves. All right, here's our ending. All right. So that is our very simple but really fun dance for World Travel Wednesday. Research it. Hula dancing, beach party, fishing in Hawaii. There's a lot of fun things to learn. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow.